Hi loves, welcome back to our channel. This is Jerry, and for today's video I have another Nintendo Switch accessories haul. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so all of the accessories that I'm sharing today are by Geekshare. I've shared quite a few of their accessories on this channel before and you guys have always really enjoyed it. I'm excited about today's video because I feel like all of the accessories that I'm sharing with you today really match my aesthetic and my style, and the colors are like, as you can tell, I love purple, black, pink, anything like kind of chromey. So I'm really excited about these. I think I'm going to start with this one. This is a dock protective shell. And like always, Geekshare always has a little picture of the item back here. And I've seen pictures of all of these items on their website, but I'm really excited to see how they look in person. So let's go ahead and open this dock cover. So here is a look at the dock cover itself. I love these colors. I really love like the different purples. We have a really dark shade here. At first I thought it was black, but in person you can tell that it's like a dark purple. And yeah, I think it's super beautiful. It's silicone. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this little piece here. It's silicone, so it's really bendy and soft, but it's also like thick. Like you can tell these pieces aren't just gonna like fall off or break off or anything like that. It's a really good quality silicone, and it has a really like soft touch feel. And all of these items are like kind of like you can feel them. Oh, this is so nice. And this is for the OLED, but I'm pretty sure actually that it fits both the OLED and the original Switch dock. And it came with these stickies. I'm not exactly sure what they're for. It probably says in the listing. I should have read that. But looking from the back, it looks like it clips onto the Switch here. Like it kind of slides in and it holds in place here. So maybe these are to stick down here in the corners to get it to adhere better at the bottom if you wanted that. So let's go ahead and put this on my dock. Alright, so I went ahead and disconnected my dock. There was a lot of stuff connected to it. Here it is, and I think we're just gonna have to slide this on over the top like this. And as you can see, it fits snugly up here. This is how it looks from all the angles. And from up front, this is so beautiful. These are two wings kind of like folded on each other like that. We have wings here, stars, and I think this is so beautiful. I'm really happy with it. Let's go ahead and open the other accessories. Alright, so I plugged everything back in and put the dock back up here where I usually have it, and I think it looks great. The bottom part here is a little like kind of loose, as you can tell. So if you don't like that, you can add these little stickies and that'll help it kind of stick better. But since I don't move my dock a lot, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. That way it's easier for me to change the dock cover if I felt like it. Alright, let's move on to the next accessory. I think next I'm going to share this protective case, and this is for the Switch OLED. And here's the little picture of it. It actually matches the dock cover, so I'm super excited about that. And it's also actually like the dark version of the angel like pink and white one that I've reviewed on this channel before. I'll link the video for you guys if you want to see that. So they Geekshare first came out with the angel pink and white and yellow version, and then they came out with this dark version. So I did have that version before, and now I'm really super excited to have this version too. Alright, so here it is. It says Dreamcatcher on it, just like the pink one did. Oh, it's such a beautiful design. It's basically the same design, but a different like colorway now. And I thought that the pink and white was really beautiful, but this one is really like more my aesthetic. As you can tell, I love purple and black. Those are my favorite colors. So I really like this. Here's the case. It's like a hard plastic, but it's also like really soft touch. and the design is kind of like embossed or like popped up. You can feel it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And here are the Joy-Con covers. I love the little chibi wings, the hearts, little star details. I love like all the attention to detail that these have. Look at the little star cuts in it. These are like a really thick, sturdy silicone. As you can see, they have the little dots there so that you would be able to press your buttons really easily. And what I like about these is that they're really full coverage on the Joy-Cons. I'll show you in a bit. They cover the buttons, they cover everything. So if you didn't want to swap the shell or the buttons on your Switch, like you're a little scared to do that, these would be great because they really cover up everything. Like if you didn't like the color of your buttons or the color of your Joy-Cons, these would cover a lot. So let's go ahead and try this on the Switch. I'm going to be trying them on my Switch OLED here. Let's start with the Joy-Cons. And like I said earlier, I already went ahead and took everything off of the Joy-Cons. So we've got bare, boring Joy-Cons right now. So these should be really easy to put on. You should just be able to like slip them in. And I'm going to go like this and then push this side in like that. And that's it. So cute. And like I said, all your buttons and everything are covered. You can see a little bit of the white back here, so if you don't like the color of your Joy-Cons, you can see that. But once you put thumbstick covers on, if you like those, it'll cover the color if you didn't like the color of your Joy-Cons. I'm going to show you that in a bit after I'm done showing you the case. So the same thing on this side, I'm going to put the top part in first and then kind of push the bottom part in like so. Ah, so precious. I'm like obsessed with this. Let's go ahead and put the actual case on as well. What is this? I'm actually not sure what this is, so let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Oh, you know what? I think this is like a little stand for your Switch. So these are the little rubber feet, and it would go like this, and you can use this as a stand for your Switch. The rubber feet make it so that, like, as you see, it doesn't slide or glide around. If you pick it up, you can move it, but it won't slide around. And I think the reason that they sent this is because these covers, once you have them on your Switch OLED, you can't open the big kickstand. So they make up for that by providing this little stand, which I think is really smart and nice of them. My Switch OLED has a My Melody skin on it right now. So I would just usually put the bottom in like this and then clip the top in like that. And there you go. Super easy to put on. This is how it looks. But like I said, now you can't use the big kickstand at the bottom. But since you can't use that, they make up for it by providing this. I'm not sure how to use it. I hope I'm using it correctly. Give me a second so I can figure this out for you guys. Oh, there it is. All right, so you pull up this part here, and then you can adjust where you want the stand. Here's where the Switch would go, like this. So you can pick like the degree that you want it at, if you want it upright or more like laid back. That is so neat. So then you'd put it down like this and then put your Switch on it like oops, and then put your Switch on it like this. So now you have a stand for your Switch if you wanted to play like with your controller or something, or your Joy-Cons, obviously. I think that's really thoughtful and nice of them to have included that. And now you can see how it looks. That is so cool. I actually have like my own little one that I just got recently. I have a few different stands, but I just recently got this Kawaii one. And I feel like it would be so cute on here. It also has like, you can angle it like this or like that. And you can use it like that. Cool. I think this should be able to dock because it's so thin and light. So let's go ahead and check that really quick. Yeah, seems like you can dock it. So that's great. I know you guys are always asking about that. All right, let's move on to the next few accessories. I want to show you the thumb grips that they sent that match this theme. These are the thumb grips. They're so beautiful. So they have the little stars and hearts just like on the covers, and these will fit the Switch and the Switch Lite. Let's go ahead and open these up. And I love their packaging, how like it matches the thumb grips. I love like all the attention to detail that they put in their products. So I think I'm gonna use, I don't know if I want to use one of each like I usually do, or I just want to use the dark. I feel like today I want to use the darks. So I'm gonna use just the hearts this time. I know that's different from what I usually do, but I feel like I want to go with the darker colors today. So for the thumb grips, I'm gonna do like usual, like you guys taught me a long time ago, to kind of flip them out from the inside. I'm not sure that's gonna work with these, but I'm just gonna try to open them as much as I can like that, and then place them over the thumbsticks. Alright, sorry, that was a little harder to put on than I thought it would be. I think it's because of the thickness here on the Joy-Con covers. So what I would suggest is to put the thumb covers on first and then put the Joy-Con covers on. That would probably be the easiest. But anyway, here's how it looks. I think the thumb grips really brought the whole look together, and I think it looks perfect now. So I'm really happy with the matching thumb grips. I love that lately they've been coming out with grips that match the cases that they've been making. Alright, let's keep going because all of a sudden the sun is setting and my light is changing. So anyway, these are the next two accessories that I wanted to share. This is another protective case. Here's a little picture of it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, it looks like this one also came with one of the stands like this, since it's also going to cover the kickstand in the back. So again, I thought that was really, really nice of them. I'll go ahead and put this one aside. So here's what the case itself looks like. I'm so happy about this. I love bunnies, I love black, I love purple, and I think this is so cute. It has bunny ears, and they're kind of pinned a little at the top so they don't just go everywhere. And then you see the little bunny feet here. And then it's actually hard plastic, which I appreciate because that's pretty durable, and it's just covered in the fur. And then for the Joy-Cons, the back is fur like this. Let me put that aside. With little like purple hearts embroidered into the back. They're also hard plastic. And then these are the front plates for the Joy-Cons. Look how cute that is. It's that same little rabbit with the eye patch, little lace detailing, a skull, band-aids, little pills and hearts. That is so cute. And then these are the thumbstick covers that match. There's pink and there's black. I know there's also a pink case similar to this one where it's black and pink, and these would go great with that one. I'm going to show you guys that one if I get the chance to in a different video. So let's go ahead and try these on. I do have a pair of black Joy-Cons here that I have not customized yet. They're just basic black Joy-Cons. So I'm going to go ahead and try these. I think it would look really pretty if I had purple buttons on these. I think I'm going to try to do that. Alright, so you're just going to get the top back part and stick that in first like that. Make sure it's lined up like this, and then slide in like that. And then it's like locked in place. And then you get the front plate and put it over the thumbstick like that. And then you're going to slide it in so you hear the clicking noises like that. And now it's installed. Actually, I'm kind of liking the black on black. I think that looks really cool. So we'll see what I do with these Joy-Cons. If you guys have any ideas for how I can customize them, let me know. I don't know if I should do like black and purple, pink and purple. How should I customize these Joy-Cons? I know I want to swap the shell and I want to swap the buttons out. And here are both Joy-Cons. Oh, I think they look so precious and they feel so soft and comfortable. I'm like obsessed with these. Literally so obsessed. All right, let's put the case on. I only have the one OLED, so I'm gonna pull it off of the dock here. Okay, same as before, just put one side in and then snap the other side in like that. I kind of put my fingerprints all over the screen. Sorry, please forgive me for the dirty fingerprint screen. So the front is just black like this, and then this is how the back looks. So precious. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on too. And this is how the whole thing looks from the back. Super comfy and cute. And here's how it looks from the front. I'm like so obsessed with this. I love it. Now I wonder if it can dock. I don't think that it will because of the ears personally. Yeah, I think the ears are going to stop it from docking. It's still super cute though, and it's easy to pop the case off and on if you wanted to dock it. Let's go ahead and put the thumb grips on. I'm going to be using these purple thumb grips. Alright, so here's the full look with the thumb grips on the thumbsticks. I think it looks perfect. It really brought everything together and it makes the purple stand out more. I'm like so obsessed with this. I'm not sure if I like this case more or the Dreamcatcher black and purple. Let me know in the comment section which one you liked most. Alright, just quickly I wanted to make a note. I was trying to take these off and I couldn't figure out how to get them off because I couldn't find the button. But right where, see how these have that little pop-up where the release button is? So just right under here, you'll feel it. There's like a hole for it. And you just press that and then you can pull them right out. So it's like right here. It took me a second to find it before. And now you can pull them out. Alright, so here are the two different Joy-Con sets that we have. Let me know in the comment section which case and grip combo you liked the best. I'm not sure if I like these because of how soft and comfortable they are, or these because of like how like good they feel in your hands and how cute they are.